The Karnataka Medical Education Department has approved a 25% increase in the stipend for senior resident doctors and PG medical students. This decision comes after resident doctors announced a strike. Medical Education Minister Dr. Sharan Prakash Patil intervened, instructing department officials to implement the stipend hike. The revised stipend will take effect from August 1st. For PG resident doctors, the new stipends are as follows. First year PG residents will now receive up to 56,250 rupees. Second year PG residents will receive up to 62,500 rupees, and third year PG residents will receive up to 68,750 rupees. Super specialty resident doctors will see their stipends rise up to 68,750 rupees for first year, up to 75,000 rupees for second year, and up to 81,250 rupees for third year. Senior residents will now receive up to 75,000. The total number of sanctioned seats includes 3,540 for PG, 445 for super specialty, and 327 for senior residents, making a total of 4,312 seats.